Hi, good day friends. I am a full-time fit-out freelancer to make all kinds of approval drawings for all authorities in Dubai. I am preparing all kinds of Dubai Municipality approval drawings and approvals. If you need any support for DM and DCD drawings or approvals, please feel free to contact me. I know all the rules and regulation for Dubai Municipality and Dubai Civil Defense. Let me explain you further what are the drawings required to obtain a DM and DCD approval. Proposed key plan. Existing partition plan. Proposed partition plan. Existing furniture plan. Proposed furniture plan. Existing flooring plan. Proposed flooring plan. Existing fire alarm plan. Proposed fire alarm plan. Existing firefighting plan. Proposed firefighting plan. Existing emergency light plan. Proposed emergency light plan. Proposed RCP plan. Proposed sectional elevations 2 numbers. Above all the drawings required to obtain DM and DCD approvals. I am offering very reasonable prices for the drawings or approvals and providing professional services in a short time. I have more than 15 years Dubai experience in approvals and drawings. If you need only drawings, I can do only drawings as well. My name is Iftikhar Ahmed. Please contact me at 055-461-8585. Thanks.